My name is Lluvia. I've been in placement for a year and a half, almost 2 years. I've been on probation since '08. I learned a lot. It helped me realize a lot about myself, who I am, and who I want to become in the future.
Look at how I'm gonna get fucking shouted right now.
Hey, random guy in my guitar class, come here. Wait, come here.
Yeah, I learned how to be responsible and to keep my schedule on track. Like, I know what to do, when to do it. You get me? Like, I was never behind. I love school. Yeah, and it just made me realize a lot about myself, like who I really was.
Hello, my name is Kyle Douglas. I am the assistant principal here at Mark Keppel High School in Alhambra. We're here today to talk about Miss Lluvia. I know Miss Lluvia for, I would say, about 3 months now, and I can say I'm very impressed with her effort, with her enthusiasm, with her basic skills, and just her communication and social networking abilities that she's shown to stay out of trouble and to just be a positive influence to some of the other young Latino women that you see here on this campus.
I think Lluvia is a really good person. Like, she doesn't really talk shit about people. Like, she'll say it to your face.
Yeah, she's very upfront and
She's like open-minded. Yeah, she's open-minded. Like, she'll just say it.
What type of
I learned how to, pick the right friends. There's never right friends, but people that are not gonna get me into trouble, because that's what got me into placement, probation. The first thing, my friends.
Anything else to say about her?
very nice and
She has a sexy body.
yeah, and she is gonna be a model. And
Do you guys think she's gonna be successful in her life?
Yeah.
Okay, my perfect job is to become a model, and it would affect my life because it would make me be more focused and not wander around and what am I gonna do and go do bad stuff that I shouldn't do, And I actually would like to go to my job and be like, you know what, I want to go work, I want to go do this.
A ver, ¿usted qué quiere decirle a Lluvia?
Que se porte bien, que no sea grosera y que no me conteste delante de la gente porque me da vergüenza.
¿Vergüenza? A ver.
Y que estudie mucho y que siga muchos pasos, muchos escalones, que todavía hay muchos escalones por subir, que tiene una torre todavía que le falta. Que no mire para abajo, todo para arriba. Que se porte bien, que respete a su mamá para que pueda respetar a los demás. Todos merecemos respeto.
¿Y ya?
Y I love you forever.